Shy is gonna be trying graduates today. Yeah, you want some more? Here. There you go, boo boo. Go ahead, eat it. And some of this too. Dried freeze yogurt fruit snacks. This too? This too? Yum! Go ahead, baby. Put it in your mouth. Come on. Come on, eat it. Let's try this one. Go ahead. Yay! Let me try one. I'm gonna try this one. Yum, those are good. Yeah, you like them, huh? There's a yogurt one. Eat the star now. Eat the star now. Yeah. Mommy don't. Why does mommy have to feed you? You have to do it yourself. Go. Yum. Ew. Come on, put it in your mouth, baby. No? Nah. Here. Try. Shy, come on. Eat it. You have a lot. Eat that star in your hand. Go. Go. Shy. Okay, bye-bye.